Hey guys, press the bell icon to never miss a video from POPxo Beauty.
Eye makeup can really elevate your overall look and make your eyes pop. But what if I told you you could do it without an eyeshadow palette? So today I'm going to create this eye makeup look for you guys using all the basic things that you will find in your makeup bag. So this is an easy eye makeup look that I created with things that I would find in my makeup bag. Something that will come in handy when you have last minute plans to go out and you are not carrying your eyeshadow palette. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below, and also while you do that, do not forget to check out our POPxo shop. We have a lot of amazing stuff like wall clocks, sweatshirts, notepads and so much more. So check out the link in the description below and happy shopping. Also, for more such makeup and skincare tips and tricks, keep watching POPxo Beauty.